In my short time of being a loan signing agent, I went from a 0 income month to $4,000 a month and just growing. And here are my certificates of being in the 1, 2, and 3, and $4,000 club. My name is Ashley Ernie, and I'm from Pittsburgh, PA, and I'm a loan signing system student. Before I got involved with the loan signing system in 2020, I was working at a bank in town, and my financial situation was fine. But during COVID, we were all working remotely. After COVID, the bank wanted to bring everyone back into the office, which I didn't want to do. I didn't want to be in an office for 8 or 9 hours a day. I realized during that period of time that I needed a better work-life balance or a work-life integration. So I decided to take a remote position with another company and jump into the loan signing system. At that point, I was taking loan signings at night and on the weekend just to get experience and get my feet wet. In 2022, I found out I was being laid off from my job, so I decided at that point that I was gonna go full-time as a loan signing agent. I used the skills that Mark teaches in his course to become a full-time agent. I marketed myself to title companies and I picked up a few direct clients. I even learned about other avenues to diverse my income, such as a mortgage field inspector, which is what I do consistently and I absolutely love it. If you're thinking about becoming a loan signing system student, I would encourage you to do it. It is the best investment that you can make for yourself and your notary business. Mark gives you everything you need to be successful and then more. There's also the Complete Notary Mentorship, which is just a great community of notaries in all stages of their business. It's a great place to ask for advice, celebrate your wins, get questions answered, and just see what everyone else is doing. If you're ready to take your notary business seriously, I encourage you, get the loan signing system. It's just a great course, great information, and it's an awesome community to be a part of.